Hey everyone, this is Sukshika Rajkumar from Arduino Projects by R, and today I'm here for a new unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing this 2.8-inch TFT touch shield for Arduino, and this is a capacitive touchscreen. This product is from Adafruit. When you open the box, you'll see the touchscreen in a bubble wrap. So now what I have here is the big TFT display, which is bright and colorful when in use. It has way more resolution than a black and white 128 by 64 display. This display also has a capacitive touchscreen attached to it already, so you can detect fingerprints anywhere on the screen. This touchscreen doesn't require pressing down on the screen with a stylus and has a nice and glossy glass cover. It is a single touch display. You wouldn't need a wiring or soldering to connect this TFT display with your microcontroller. You can simply plug it in and start coding. Now let's look at the technical specifications of this TFT display. It's got a 240 by 320 resolution, 18-bit, 262,000 different shades color, and their library uses 16-bit color mode. The pixels are with individual pixel control. It's got a high-speed SPI display with digital I2C touchscreen driver. The display uses digital pins 13 to 9, and the touchscreen controller requires I2C pins SDA and SCL. The micro SD pin requires D4. That means you can use digital pins 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and analog pin 0 to 5. Pin 4 is available if not using the micro SD. It works with any classic Arduino Atmega 328, and this shield can be perfectly fit into an Arduino Uno. To use with Leonardo or Mega, solder close 3 jumpers to use the ICSP header. It's got onboard 3.3 volts at 300 milliamps low dropout regulator, but the current draw depends on usage. It is usually about 100 milliamps for the display and touchscreen. This TFT display is bright because it's got a 4 white LED backlight. They are on by default, but you can connect the transistor to a digital pin for backlight control, like you control the LCD display module. For more information about this touch shield and to learn how to interface it with your microcontroller, please visit the link in the description box below. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that already. Click on the bell icon to stay notified whenever I upload a new video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to comment and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.